There is a reason the enemy has been fighting you so hard. The enemy attacks people who carry purpose. He attacks those who are getting closer to God. He attacks those whose breakthrough is near. But what the enemy meant for evil, God can turn around for your good. Jesus did not bring you this far to abandon you now. Even in your lowest moments, God is still working behind the scenes. Even in seasons of delay, God is still faithful. Even in your pain, God still has a purpose. This world is searching desperately for hope, but true hope is found only in Jesus Christ. He is the peace for troubled hearts. He is the healer for wounded souls. He is the Savior for a broken generation. No matter what battle you are facing today, remember this: Jesus is greater than fear, greater than depression, greater than anxiety, greater than every storm you are facing. I invite you to subscribe for more content. I hope you are encouraged and will continue to be encouraged. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you.